Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new tutorial. Today I'll show you how to make the video from the image. So this type of trending video, you know that this is the viral video in YouTube and social media. So I'll show you how to make this type of video in this tutorial. So at first you have to go to the Viggle AI, and after that you have to click here the join to the beta. So if you don't have Discord, you have to go to the Discord. Just write down Discord in a Google and go to the download options. In this option you'll get Android, iOS and the Linux users. So if you are the user of Android or Mac or Windows, you can download from here, and after pressing here join to the beta, you will join in a Discord and you will get easily into the Discord the chat room, which is the Viggle server, and you will get lots of chat room over there. Here is animate 1 2 3, those are the chat room, and here is the server of Vigle AI. So I'm going to any of them and going to the prompt section, just slash over there and just get here animate. So you have to upload an image, any sort of image. It could be your image, it could be any sort of image from here. So I am using stock image. Actually this is not a stock image, this is my image, and from here you have to provide prompt. So we are going back to the prompt section, the Viggle AI website, and then you can find that prompt. So we'll make this video. You have to copy this prompt at first. So here is a copy option, you can copy from here as well. So okay, and then going to back to the Discord and paste over there. Actually you can paste over there, that's good. In the background option, format or template, and the fine tune is on, and you have to press enter. So here is our video. So already got that. If we play this, so here you can get the video like that. That is fun, and the most important thing is that how to download that video. So you have to go here, meaning this one here, you'll find out the download option. You can download that and save to your directory. You can upload this video to your social media. Here we got the result, so let's see here. So it's fun actually. So you can make this type of video by using this type of technique. So hope that you will learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and if you have any sort of questions, query or request, please do comment in my video comment section. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.